Hello! We're here again to give you a little bit of happiness during lockdown and to maybe give you a practical tip along the way. And today it's all about him cutting her hair. So, James, have you done this before?
No, never. Never cut a girl's hair before.
How are you feeling?
Very confident.
Great, so am I. So that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So should we start then?
Yeah, absolutely. So we need to just wet your hair first. Always find a watering can best for this sort of thing. So I think that needs to come off. That bit there. I've seen them doing this. Okay. That bit, I missed that bit. Okay. Right.
Ooh.
Yeah, is that?
Now look, I want you to be really careful here. Don't just cut it really short.
Just what that side?
No, you cut that bit twice now.
Yeah, I'm back and we've decided that might have cut enough off and we don't really know till it's dry. So the plan is now to have a quick blow dry, and I just thought I'd sort of use the most useful thing available, my leaf blower. So I'm not sure why Gloria's uncomfortable about this, but everybody knows leaf blowers make really good hair dryers. Okay, I'm on my own now. Gloria's gone. Apparently she's quite wet, and apparently she doesn't get that wet when she goes to a salon normally. But anyway, she's gone to dry her hair properly and to dry herself. And we'll have a look what she looks like when she comes back out in a while.
So, this is what it's looking like, girls. I think we're getting there. Just being positive. There's a little bit of thinning that needs to be done here. Otherwise, I think I might take off. Right. While James is sorting out the other scissors, I'm just going to have a little go at sort of doing something himself. Because we can't just leave it like this. I look like something out of the 60s now, I think. Right. So, I don't really know what to say. Do you have any comments on how that went and what you'd say to someone else?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's a lovely haircut. And we've got 3 more weeks at least, haven't we, until we're out of lockdown. So it should grow a little bit by then, shouldn't it?
It looks nice.
Thank you.
That's really good.
Bye.